Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are good and safe at your home. This is your Nazra lesson of grade 2. We will read from para 30 Amma by seeing the book. The topic is Surah Fajr. Surah number is 89. Learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to differentiate between the rules. You will be able to read the surah with tajweed inshallah. Here we have some tajweed rules. You can see huruf mudda 3, alif waw ya, izhar letters are 6, and huruf halki hamza ha in ha ghain kha. Idgham letters are 6, yarmalun. Fat sound letters are khutsa zaqtin qis, kha sad dad ta za ghain qaf. Whistle sound letters are za sin sad. Madda letters huruf lin are waw ya. Ghunna letters are nun mushaddad and mim mushaddad. Iqlab letter is 1, ba. Soft sound letters are 3, za, and kalkala letters are 5, qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. You have learned them already in the class. Just go through these rules and revise them again. This Surah Al-Fajr, you can see at the top it's written, its surah number is 89. It's a Makki surah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal Fajr. Jim is silent, so we'll have kalkala over there. Wal Fajr. Walayalin Ashr. You can see raw rule also we are having many places. Raw is having zair, so we'll make thin sound over there. But here having zair, so as I told you, when we make it silent, so when the raw is silent, what we do, we go to the last sign. Whatever the last sign will be, according to that we follow the rule. You can see we are having last sign again silent, so we'll go to the second last letter. We are having zabar, so we should have fat sound here. So same you can see when we'll make raw silent, again we have a silent sign, so we'll go to the next second last sign, which we have again zabar, so we'll have fat sound. Ashr, wash-shaf'i wal-watr. Again you can see raw is having zair, but last sign we got zabar, watr, fat sound. Wal-layli idha yasr, zal sound proper, yasr. Hal fi dhalika qasamul lidhi hijr. Qasamun written, but lam is idgham rule, you know, we'll join tanween with the lam. It will be qasamul lidhi hijr. Jim kalkala, hijr, raw make silent. Alam tara kayfa, raw should have fat sound, tara kayfa fa'ala rabbuka bi'ad, raw fat sound, bi'ad, kalkala. إرم ذات العماد. Here you can see raw is having zabar, so we'll have fat sound there. Imad, dal kalkala sound, as it will become when it will become silent, so we'll have kalkala sound there, echo sound. Allati lam yukhlaq, kalkala on qaf, mithluha fil bilad, kalkala again. وثمود الذين جابوا الصخر بالواد, raw zabar, so we'll have raw again fat sound, bilwad, kalkala sound. You can see jabus, after that waw, alif, 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 lam, we are having 4 letters which we are not reading. They are not having any sign, so we'll go directly join ba with the next letter, swad, jabus sakhra, mushaddad letter. Bilwad wa fir'auna dhil awtad, kalkala. الذين طغوا في البلاد, properly make to sound, طغوا, تغوا will be wrong, طغوا في البلاد, kalkala. فأكثروا, واو مدة, so make it long one time, فأكثروا فيها الفساد. فصب عليهم, صاد sound proper, فصب عليهم Rabbuka, raw is having zabar, fat sound, Rabbuka sawta azab, to sound, sawta will be wrong, sawta azab, dhal, azab, kalkala. Inna, ghunna, nun mushaddad is here, so we'll have ghunna. Inna rabbaka, raw is having zabar, rabbaka labil mirsad. Here you can see raw is having silent, but last sign is there, so we'll have thin sound, mir, not miro, mirsad. فأما الإنسان Mim mushaddad, so we'll have gunna sound. فَأَمَّا الْإِنسَانُ إِذَا مَا ابْتَلَاهُ قَلْقَلَةٌ رَبُّهُ fat sound. فَأَكْرَمَهُ وَنَعَّمَهُ فَيَقُولُ رَبِّي small mad 3 times. أَكْرَمَنْ أَكْرَمَنْ ra fat sound, small mad 3 times. Akramani, but stop sign is there, so it will become akraman. Wa amma mim mushaddad with small mad, we'll make 3 times long with gunna. Wa amma idha mabtalahu faqadara alayhi rizqah. Faqadara ra fat sound. Faqadara alayhi rizqahu fayaqulu Rabbi, fayaqulu Rabbi, small mad 3 times. Ahanan, kalla balla, tukrimuna al-yatim, wala tahadduna. Remember, you can see we are having badi mad, we will read it 5 times, but with that you can see we are having dod with mushaddad. So what we will do, we'll join ha with dod. We will say haduna. You will not say haduna. Haduna will be wrong because of dod mushaddad. So we have to join ha with dod. So it will become tahadduna ala ta'amil miskin wa ta'kuluna at-turatha. You know, as you know that when we are having silent or jazm on hamza, we make this sound. وَتَأْكُلُونَ التُّرَاثَ. Ra is having zabar fat sound. أَكْلَ lamma idgham, we'll join lam do zabar lan. We'll not say lam do zabar lan, we'll join lam with lam. That will become aklal, lam lam do zabar lal. Aklal lamma, gunna on mim mushaddad. وَتُحِبُّونَ الْمَالَ Hubban jamma. You can see tanween, then jim is there from ikhfa letter, so tongue will be in the middle. Hubban, then mim mushaddad jamma. You can see it's written waqaf, where we are having zabar tanween. So remember, always when we are having do zabar tanween is there, always we'll read one zabar. Alif we will read with one zabar, like jamma. Will not say jam, will not say jamman. We will say jamma, one zabar we are reading. You can see here also lamma. The same we will do everywhere, wherever we will have tanween after that waqaf. Small mad kalla 3 times long. Idha dukkatil ardu dakka dakka. Tanween, you can see after that dal from ikhfa letters. Dakka dakka. Again you can see dakkan dakkan. But again, you as I told you in the last words, so we'll read one zabar with alif. Dakka. Waja'a badi mad. Rabbuka 5 times we'll read. Waja'a rabbuka. Wal malaku saffa saffa. Again we have ikhfa rule, so tongue will be in the middle. Saffa saffa. Alif with one zabar. Waji'a, you can see ya is having silent, there is no sign on alif, so we will not join it with alif. We will join jim with ya, then it will be wa zabar wa, jim ya mad zer ji 5 times long. Waji hamza zabar a. Waji'a yawma idhim. You can see we are having iqlab, tanween is there, then small mim, after that iqlab letter is ba, so we will join zal with a tiny mim. Yawma idhim with gunna. Bi jahannama, you can see noon mushaddad again with gunna. Yawma idhin, we are having idgham, zal do zairs in, then idgham letter. Yawma idhin yatadhakkarul insanu, ra pesh fat sound. Wa anna noon mushaddad gunna. Lahu dhikra, ra with khada zaba should have also fat sound. Yaqulu yaqulu ya laytani qaddamtu لحياتي, as it is told you earlier, whenever you will have silent sign already, the letter is, when the letter is already silent, what we will do, we will read it same, we will not make any change in it. So it will be lihayati, after waqaf also it will be same, lihayati. فَيَوْمَئِذٍ لَا tanween, then lam from idgham letter will join dal with lam, then it will become izil, will not read it zin, it will be dal lam do zir zil. فَيَوْمَئِذٍ لَا يُعَذِّبُ عَذَابَهُ, small mad 3 times, أحد qalqala, وَلَا يُوثِقُ وَثَاقَهُ 3 times small mad, أحد qalqala on dal, يَا أَيَّتُهَا small mad 3 times, nafsul mutmainnah, noon mushaddad, gunna, mut qalqala, inna, again gunna. You can see ta marbuta we have, so whenever we will have ta marbuta, when waqaf comes, what we do, we make it ha and silent also, so it will become mutmainnah. You will not see you will not say it mutmainnatu, mutmainnah, mutmainnat, you will not say mutmainnat, you will say mutmainnah. Irji'i, small mad 3 times, ila rabbiki, ra with zabar, radiyatan, ra with zabar, fat sound, tam mim mushaddad, mardiyya, ra silent, but the last sign is zabar, so we'll have fat sound again, mardiyya, dot sound properly. Then fadkhuli, dal qalqala, fi ibadi. You can see 3 times we are having ya madda and alif madda also. Khuli 1 time ya madda, fi 1 time ya madda, iba alif 1 time madda, di 1 time madda. So remember to make them 1 time long. Khuli fi ibadi, wadkhuli jannati, wad qalqala, then khuli jannati, again onna sound. Now we will say once again from the beginning this surah Fajr. Suratul Fajr Makkiyah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal Fajr walayalin ashr wasyaf'i wal watr wal layli idha yasr hal fi dhalika qasamul lidhi hijr ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بعاد إرم ذات العماد التي لم يخلق مثلها في البلاد وثمود الذين جابوا الصخر بالواد وفرعون ذي الأوتاد الذين طغوا في البلاد فأكثروا فيها الفساد فصب عليهم ربك سوط عذاب إن ربك لبالمرصاد فأما الإنسان إذا ما ابتلاه ربه فأكرمه ونعمه فيقول ربي أكرمن وأما إذا ما ابتلاه فقدر عليه رزقه فيقول ربي أهانن كلا بل لا تكرمون اليتيم ولا تحاضون على طعام المسكين وتأكلون التراث أكلا لما وتحبون المال حبا جما كلا إذا دكت دكا دكا وجاء ربك والملك صفا صفا وجيء يومئذ بجهنم يومئذ يتذكر الإنسان وأنى له الذكرى يقول يا ليتني قدمت لحياتي فيومئذ لا يعذب عذابه أحد ولا يوثق وثاقه أحد يا أيتها النفس المطمئنة ارجعي إلى ربك راضية مرضية فادخلي في عبادي وادخلي جنتي صدق الله العظيم. Hope this video is helpful for you. Try to apply all the rules taught during the lesson. Thank you.